Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz, your jewelry professional, and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. In this video I will use hand cutting, hand diamond cut, but I will use a new product which I have never made a video on the channel today. I will use that hammering machine. It's very easy to use it. You just switch on, switch off, and it's working. Unlike our diamond tools, it's much easier to use it because the control is much easier. But again, unlike our diamond tools, it's not an electric machine. It's getting its power from a pneumatic motor. Here is our 200-liter silent compressor in our showroom in Istanbul, Turkey, and it's connected to the compressor and it's making the cut. If you are ready, let's start the operation. It will not take a long while. You just open manually. All the control is here. You can open a little bit, you can open full. I will use it in the middle power and start the operation. I was using here the middle power, middle speed, so you can use your hammering machine at lower speed, lower power, or a stronger speed, faster speed, stronger power. After seeing that middle speed, let's try a little bit low power, low speed and see the difference. I'm starting such a low speed and I will apply it another place on my bangle. You can also make it in an irregular shape. You will get another design. So as you can see here, you can change the movements of your hand and you will get little different designs in different. You are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel, and now we will try the opposite, the strongest power of our hammering machine. Let's see how the result will be different. I'm giving the full power. If you notice the difference, it was much faster. So when you are using your hammering machine, the efficiency is much more. It's covering the surface of our bangle much faster than low and middle speed. That's the fastest, strongest speed setting I have with the hammering machine. Let's remember the difference. That's the lower strength effect. That's the medium strength effect, which is my favorite actually. Mostly in the industry we prefer that setting, not to damage our machine and to have a nice design. And then our strongest design, sometimes we need to use it. That's a hammering machine. It's an American product, American design. It comes from industry, so it's really tough. It has a long time. You can use a hassle-free in your jewelry production. And as I just told you, you need a strong compressor, air compressor, because it gets its power from the compressor. That was the effect, and I wanna give you a bonus information. Here is Bulunmaz Micromotor, which you probably know from my other videos. I will make a little finishing with the diamond tool on that hammering design. I'm starting my machine in high speed, 50,000 RPM. And my tool is 140, which is my most popular tool, and I'm cutting a nice finishing over my hammering design. That was another interesting design which I combined my hammering machine and my diamond tool. You can see the nice finishing here. In the next videos I will try to give you more examples of hammering machine with diamond cut, combining them or without combining them. So here you just get a rough idea about our hammering machine. If you wanna order our hammering machine or ask for more information, just click the descriptions of this video below. I will put all our contacts and extra information. If we have another videos about our hammering machine, I will add the links below so you can get more ideas, you can learn more about our products. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to support us, because you subscribe more, you like our videos more, YouTube is pushing us up and we are visible to more jewelers all around the world. See you again in the next videos.